Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market as usual. So situation gradually is changing on the markets because investment society starts to get the first data from the markets that reflects the impact of the virus on the economy, in particular in the United States. So yesterday you probably saw the just terrible data on the initial claims that was 2 times greater than market expects. It's even not the 3 millions per week. This is 6 millions of people who is call for claims on the losing of the job. And well, it seems that we're just in the beginning of the crisis, not at the end, not at the point of the reversal of markets, but everything is just starting. So it's yet to be the impact of on the economy is yet to be assessed as we're just starting to get the first data. And today, it's non-farm payrolls release will be, and I suppose that will be, well, I'm not will be surprised if it will be 1.5 or 2 times worse than expected. So it could be not just 300,000 of the job losses, but it could be greater. So on the background of this event, the sentiment in the market has also changed. Since we said today in the euro currency market proves that the recent drop in the euro currency is not in a retracement anymore, and it has shown no reaction on the major support areas that it should do, and starts dropping. It means that market gradually turning back to the running into the quality. It means that the dash for cash and running United States dollar reestablished again. This market's preparing for the long-term worse impact on markets as well and on the economies. So if it is happening in the United States, what will be in Europe? It's another question. Second, the gold is also not an exception, and the situation here is also changing. And on the background on the new inputs that we have, I would suggest that today we could get the breakout to the upside. Because take a look what has happened yesterday on the non-farm payrolls release. Market has completed our non-farm payrolls initial claims. Market has completed our retracement. But take a look at the manner how it has happened. We see the fast acceleration here, not the gradual action, but upward action. Here was our scenario that we discussed yesterday. It was deeper downside action. But guys, market with this action totally erased this collapse, and I currently would consider better some upward continuation to the upside. Maybe in the way of the butterfly, maybe something of that sort, but probably market will return back to the 17 even top. So that's what we will expect today, because as I said, sentiment is changing. Awful data from the United States shows that market turning into crisis, and demand for the gold probably will increase. That's my suggestion. So currently, despite that we stand at the resistances we suggest, maybe even you have taken the shorts here, well, with the break-even stop currently, well, I think that in the current backgrounds, you can see reaction on the initial claims yesterday on the gold. On the terrible payrolls, it probably also could be reaction to the upside. So here we have the XOP target around 1633. It's nearest target that could be achieved, but in general, upward action could be stronger. That's why I think that currently, well, it's really very risky to take the short position on the gold. So if you have taken the short position here, well, currently think about you place stops to the break even. Well, in this case, you could do nothing, just see what will happen. And in general, overall price reaction at this point, well, it's also flat standing, not any signs on a reversal here. This is not the way how market completes the retracement usually. And the purely technical picture tells the one thing, that if market will turn down, it has to do this right from this point. Any upward continuation here will tell you that we will go into previous tops on the daily chart. So market either will turn down right from here and start dropping, or be prepared for the continuation of the bullish trend on the gold. So that's our view currently. So demand for the gold probably in the current circumstance could rise. So it will be again the same story as it was in the previous week. So double demand as for United States dollar as for the gold. So it's the breaking of this normal usual tendency with the as the gold is trading in United States dollar and the dollar rising, gold should drop. But in the period of the crisis when the market are running for the safe, the demand for safe haven is rising as well, and it could be really the same trend on the gold as well. Well, here I not forbid to take the short position because in general this is set up for the bearish trade. But as you have taken the position already, just place tight stop, move it to the break even and see what will happen. Because as I said, that is a culmination point. Gold has to turn down either from here or be prepared for the continuation. No sense to place stops above the XOP or even higher. That's the point. So that's our view on the gold market right now.